Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. I am really happy with how this page turned out. Some people will think, what in the hang is that? But this was a really difficult one for me to try and capture. I would not have been able to do this in the past. I wanted to try it because the man had a lot of emotion on his face, and he was also very old. So as you can see the cheekbones kind of drawn into his actual face, and the eye sockets you can see here. So I was really happy in the fact that I was able to somewhat capture it. It did, and it didn't even take me the full 3 minutes like I was previously trying to capture, and keep it under 3 minutes. So this one took me only 2 minutes 20, 2 minutes 40 and 2 minutes 10. This one has a slightly larger nose, which I'm aware of, but the overall effect I'm really happy with. I got the emotion captured in each of the sketches, and you can tell it is an older man, and he's got his hand up on his face and he's quite downcast. So I'm really happy at the fact that I was able to capture it and do it some justice. Geometric, observational and good speed are super effective learning methods. Let me know if you don't know what I'm talking about, and if you want some more information, I'll be more than happy to do that for you. And I shall see you next time. Thanks guys.